Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. We are jumping right into it today. Today kicks off my new series on my channel. It's officially starting. I am decluttering my entire house. This series is probably going to take me a long time. Honestly, it'll probably go till 2025. Like I have that much work to do and just slow and steady. I know I'm not going to be able to all do it once, but I'm going to actually create a playlist and I will pin it at the top of my YouTube page. So get ready because it's going to be a little crazy. So today I am starting in Evelyn's closet. This is definitely nowhere near done. I want to chit chat with you guys about it, but I'm at least getting it started. I talked about it in my last video, but I am decluttering my entire house. I am going on a minimalism journey. I was actually just talking to my best friend about this last night. Just, I am so overwhelmed with my house, and honestly, like my mental health is really being affected by my house right now. And right now, I think the solution truly is to just get rid of a bunch of stuff so it's easier to clean. I know that like sounds weird, but it is true. Like the less stuff you have, the easier it is to vacuum, the easier it is to tidy, the easier it is to deep clean, and I am just so ready for that change. So, like I said, it is going to be a long series. I don't know how many episodes it's going to be, but it's definitely going to take me through the holidays. So, as I said, I'm starting in Evelyn's room. Her closet, you guys saw in the beginning, was truly just a wall of stuff. I again talked about this in my last video, but I have not truly deep cleaned, decluttered, and organized my house in honestly years at this point. We've gotten by, we've done the daily cleaning, we've done some littler deep cleaning projects and some little decluttering and organizing projects, but I guess like as a whole and as, you know, whole house deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing, that has truly not happened in years. And I'm just ready to change that. So, Evelyn's room is first on the list. If you are brand new here, we actually painted her room and got her all new furniture recently. We painted her room back in September, which is almost a year ago, which is crazy to say that. Um, and just recently, like within the past month, we have gotten her new furniture. So I just figured that would be a great kind of natural starting point to get this room in order. Her closet, I'm not going to lie, guys, is really troublesome to me. So I bought this new closet organizer. I hated the old one. I really like this one because all of the cubes, the storage cubes, have hard-sided bottoms to them, which makes that's great. Like that's just the way it should be. Um, but I just feel, and I don't know if I'm the only one that struggles with this. Please let me know in the comments. Like, let's talk about it. I really struggle setting up like organizational systems that work for me. I really like it. It just feels like a mental block. Like I don't have any problems decluttering. I don't necessarily get attached to like sentimental items, and I feel like I can get rid of stuff like very easily. But as far as like setting up systems that work for us and systems that are really easy for me to keep up with and maintain, I really, really struggle with that. I feel like I never have like the storage bins or baskets that we need or that work for us. And honestly, I'm just at the point now where I'm like, I can't be the only one that struggles with this. Like, why is this so hard for me? And you'll see at the end, when I show kind of like the final reveal of her closet, it's not great. Like, I feel like I have to move a lot of things around. I feel like, again, the storage systems that are in there or like the bins that are in there are not working for the space. And I'm just kind of feeling a little lost. And I'm hoping that doing this series on my YouTube channel will kind of help me and will just make it a little bit easier for me to develop systems that work for me and that work for Evelyn and that work for everybody else in the home, because it's a struggle for us. So in today's video, you guys have been watching me just take everything out of the closet. And right now I'm just going to be sorting some items. You guys, again, just saw me do that. It's pretty self-explanatory, honestly. I'm just going to be sorting things into a donation pile and then into a trash pile. I would say 99% of the things in here are going to donation. They're just clothes that don't fit her anymore, shoes that don't fit her anymore, blankets that she doesn't want anymore. But there is a lot of older stuff in here that I had to go through as well. I did do a little bit off camera. I had a lot of her baby stuff in here, like that pink chest with the owl on it that you just saw me go through was actually a lot of her baby stuff, like ultrasound pictures. I had her old baby monitor in there. Evelyn is 10. We haven't used that baby monitor in a very long time. But like I said, I have not decluttered and organized this house in years, and it shows, honestly. So honestly, guys, I am so ready for your input. Like truly, let me know down in the comments if you have like a closet organizing tool that like really works for you. If I don't know, like just give me everything. I really struggle with getting an organizational system that's easy for me to maintain and easy for me to keep up with and just feels natural. And I think that's what bothers me so much is that just like organizing doesn't come natural to me. It just feels really hard. And like I said, after I'm done sorting and decluttering all this and I show you guys the end, you'll just kind of see me like moving things around and I'm just not happy with the final product. I'm obviously very happy that it got decluttered and I'm really like it's definitely an improvement, but it still feels so messy. Her room is not done by any means. We still have a lot to do in her room. Her both of her nightstands need to be completely decluttered. We have so much old schoolwork from last year that still needs to be gone through. We have to hang her shelves back up. We actually bought her a desk, so we need to set the desk up. There's definitely still a lot to do in Evelyn's room. I don't know how much of it I will film. I will do my best to film kind of any decluttering that gets done. But as far as just kind of like cleaning and setting up, I'm not sure how much I'm going to include in like the decluttering series. But stay tuned. I do think I'll do an update on her closet once I have figured something out. After her closet, I am tackling our towel closet, which you will see in a little bit later on in the video. But as far as this series goes on YouTube, I have so much to do. I truly have our entire house to do. And as I said in the beginning, it's really affecting my mental health. Just like opening every closet, opening every drawer, going into certain rooms in our house, and just being surrounded by clutter and things we don't need. It truly is affecting my mental health in a negative way. Our playroom is literally out of Hoarders, like the show Hoarders. There's just so much stuff in the playroom and it's not okay. That needs to go. My closet is on my list, which I'm actually really excited for. That one might be sooner rather than later because I am very excited to do my closet. I have been researching and like learning how to hang things. I know that that sounds really silly, but it's definitely something that was never taught to me. So I'm recently learning how to hang like sweaters and sweatshirts so they don't stretch out on the hanger. I've learned how to hang jeans so they look really nice and pretty and very, I don't know, I just think it looks really nice. So I'm super excited to do my closet. I honestly don't wear, I would say 97% of the things in my closet. So that will be a very big decluttering project because I am just so ready for a fresh start. Like I said, I have my closet, I have the playroom, I have Luca's entire room to do. If you're new here, Luca is my 2-year old, and his room is just a nightmare again. He has outgrown so much. I feel like with toddlers, there's always so much turnover because they're growing so fast. So I have his entire closet and bureau to do, which, like I said, that's a job. It is an absolute nightmare. So we are wrapping up in Evelyn's room. Like I said, I will show you the end result in just a few minutes. But here I am kind of moving things around because I'm not super happy with how things look, how things are. And as I said, definitely let me know all of your like tips and tricks for organizing. I do think I need to get rid of some of the pink bins on the bottom so I can use that second hanger that came with the storage unit more. But yeah, I kind of don't know where to go from here. So I'm just kind of taking a little break from her room and just kind of thinking about how I want to tackle it. So after this clip, I'm moving on into our linen closet or our towel closet, which houses all of our towels, all of our like personal hygiene products, some back stock that I have, like extra shampoos and conditioners. And this closet truly hasn't been cleaned out in years. We still had medication from Chris's surgery, which happened in 2020. We had stuff from me postpartum when I gave birth, which was in 2022. So lots to clean out in this closet. This is actually several days later, and it's funny, I'm wearing the same shorts. These are my favorite shorts. I absolutely love them. They're from Target. But yeah, so I'm going to be just taking everything out of this closet, going through everything one by one. There is a lot to be thrown out. I'm ready for the judgment, but I don't want you to think that this gets thrown out all the time. Like I said, we haven't cleaned out this closet in years. So there are so many expired products in here, so many like just dried up skincare products and like old crusty toothpaste. It was actually really funny. We don't have it anymore, but we did have a monthly subscription to Dollar Shave Club like years ago, and it got a little out of hand. I don't know. Chris signed up for it, and I'm not sure why he signed up to get this many razor blade replacements, but we have like 50, and I'm not joking. So this is everything that has come out of the closet. There's hand towels, face cloths, hair styling tools, cleaning products, hair products, bug sprays, sunscreens, hand soaps, like you name it, it is in there. But yeah, the Dollar Shave Club was really funny. So we have since canceled that subscription because it just kind of got out of hand really quickly. And as I said, I think we have enough razors to last us like 10 years. So this part of the video is very self-explanatory. Honestly, I'm just going to be sorting things, putting them in different categories, and honestly getting rid of at least 50%. I think I threw out even more than that. But like I said, I don't want you to think that this is an everyday thing for me. This is years of product. And there was just so much expired stuff and stuff I don't use. I went through and sorted medication that needed to be in the trash like separately. I don't know our local I don't even really know what it's called, like our local regulations on getting rid of medications. I know you're not supposed to just like throw it out. I think you can bring it to like a pharmacy and they will dispose of it for you. So I did that off camera. But yeah, right now I'm just sorting things like hair products and, like I said, skincare products and hair products. I think I already said that, but whatever. These actually white bins that you see in the back that I'm actually sitting next to, those are the same bins that I have in Evelyn's closet, the pink ones that you saw. Those are my absolute favorite. They're from the Container Store. They offer a variety of sizes. And I love that they have all different sizes, and I love that they stack. That's always a huge thing for me, is I love stacking bins. What I would like about these is that they are very open on the front, so you can still get your stuff even on the bottom one. You don't have to like take the top one off. So I really like that. Like I said, they have a variety of different sizes. I actually have these in my utility closet as well, which you'll see in the decluttering series. I'm not sure what order they're going in, but my utility closet, which is across from my kitchen, is on my list as well. And I have those bins in my utility closet as well. I absolutely love these things. They have all different colors too. I think they have blue and black. Obviously, they have white and pink. Maybe they have like a teal color. I can't remember, but they have a ton. So I'm just going through and I'm going to be sorting things. As I said, I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. I apologize. I'm trying to talk through these videos. A lot of people have requested more voiceovers and less music. Some people like a mix, some people like all music. So I'm just trying some different things out. Um, Let me know what you guys like, because I do feel like I ramble a lot and I do feel like I repeat myself. But I love you guys. I love to talk to you guys. It's always so fun talking in the comments as well. So don't be shy and say hi, especially if you are new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. So I'm going to be wrapping up in here. I will give you the final look at the end of this video. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this video, or this series rather. I hope you enjoy it. It's probably, like I said, going to be a long one. I just, with my current life and schedule right now, I just don't think that I'm going to be able to declutter my house very quickly. It's probably going to be months. And if I upload once a month, I upload once a month. I'm going to try my best. But I'm hoping I can tackle like a couple projects a month. And I have my entire house to do. So strap in, get ready. I'm actually really excited. But yeah, I can't wait to share it with you. So I am going to let some music play through the end of this video. I'm losing my voice and I need to drink some water. This process is pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I'm just going through and sorting things into different piles and into different bins. I think you guys can figure it out. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this video motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to-do list. As always, let me know some tips and tricks for organizing closets and small spaces. I am so here for it. If you guys have a like specific bin or drawer or shelf or whatever that you love, like I love these little white stackable bins from Container Store, let me know. I would love to hear about it. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video.